Hello, this is Brian Ryo with sprint number 3. So sprint number 3 basically covers all the UBLs managers. So the first thing that I'll go into is the frigate. So the frigate, just like in this diagram down below, inherits from the updatable and the drawable. So right here we can see that I call for the submission of the registration for both of the UBLs. I'll quickly go into just the draw. Both of them work basically the same. The first thing is we check to make sure that the object is deregistered, and then we pen the registration by submitting it to the registration broker. Right here we can see that the UBL, since it inherits from the command base, that command is added to the registration broker's list. I'll go into that. So it is inserted into the list and will later be executed on the execute commands to ensure that both of the UBLs, the updatable and the drawable, objects are either registered or deregistered. So I'll go into the scene just to show that. So on a scene update, the registration broker executes all its commands, ensuring that everything is registered or deregistered. The alarmables trigger first to process all the alarmables, then the updatables, and then later on the drawables. I'll go into the drawable since it's roughly the same idea. So after it's been added to the list, we go through and execute every registered draws cycle. We call its function, and then later on, if it needs to be deleted, we can erase it from the list. So the world plane is one that I implemented a alarmable. So I submit an alarmable for 1 second, and alarm 0 basically just increases the size of the plane, and I submit for registration again at the very end to ensure that I can repeat the cycle. So right here you can see my plane continuously drawing, and on every update it increases size. My plane's input, or my frigate's inputs, are right there, and it draws. At the very end, at the bottom of the screen, you can see everything being deleted. There are multiple things in there. It's an extremely long list. The only thing I do not have are multiple alarms, but I should implement that next week. Thank you.